If you are looking for the ultimate Facebook ads hack to set a daily budget that is way more than you want to spend, but make sure that you want to hit the ROAS that you need to in order to profitably scale your store, this video is for you. I am breaking down the mystical bid cap. My name is Chris Morano, founder of Blue Water Marketing. We help mid to high 6 and 7 figure Shopify brands scale with Meta Ads, Google Ads, Klaviyo, and a financial understanding of how to effectively scale store based on contribution margin, MER, and AMER. I've worked with over 150 brands over the last 7 years in Meta, and that's what we're going over today. Bid caps, how to structure them, how to effectively test them, and then how to scale them to the moon. If you're interested, let's get into it. Now the question becomes, what is a bid cap? Essentially, a bid cap is the amount of money you are willing to pay to enter the auction to get a purchase. And so based on your margins, your LTV, you have to know what you are acquiring a new customer for. And that's the important thing about setting bid caps is you can't just go in blind. You want to look at your average cost per acquisition and then create variances based on that average CPA. So your cost per purchase might be $40. Some of your ad sets might be $32. Some of them might be $55. There's always going to be a variance based on highest volume campaigns. With bid caps, the goal is you want to test different bid caps in order to acquire that new customer acquisition. So I highly recommend, this is definitely more of an expert level media buying. If you are just starting out, first step you want to determine is what is your LTV. Then from there, your profit margin, so that you understand how much profit per customer are you making. Then you can establish your cost per acquisition. So that's the first step in bid caps. Moving over, this is one of our clients, January 1st since September 30th, which was yesterday. I want to show you guys what we've been able to accomplish with a cost cap, bid cap, and highest volume campaigns set up within this ad account. Now, results may vary, so I don't want you to think that this is just the perfect way of doing things. This is just the way we do it with our system of scaling ad accounts. 163% since last year. They have done $3.1 million year to date. So how did we do this? That is the key to understanding, and let's just look at the last 30 days. So I'm blurring out the left-hand side because honestly, I don't want to get into it. None of your business who this client is. We have test campaigns going. We have highest volume campaigns going. We have bid cap campaigns going, and then we have our retargeting. So on our bid cap, what you're not seeing on this left-hand side is we have a variance of bids that we are willing to enter the auction in. The key to understanding all of this is a specific product within the store. Product does have variance, but that doesn't really matter because we have a number of different bid caps. And so within our naming convention, we are running Advantage Plus audiences. At scale, I'm finding that those work way better than certain other stacked interest, lookalikes, etc., etc. So what we have is we have batch 1 and batch 2. These are different groupings of creative assets, and each and every one of these ad sets is the exact same. The naming convention, which again is blurred out, I apologize, has the very specific date of launch, as well as the bid cap that we have set. So we have $45, $35, $55, $60, and then with the batch 2 creative, $35, $45, $55, $60, $65. So that's how we've structured. Now, going into the bid cap, campaign budget optimization, our daily budget, we've set it at $1,500 a day, and we have implemented a bid cap strategy. Now, for bid caps, these days you have to run Advantage Plus shopping campaigns or Advantage Plus campaign budget because that budget will spend on whichever ones are driving the best results. If you guys are liking this video and you want me to audit your account, click the link down below, book a call, get access to your ad account, and we will provide you with one of the most in-depth audits you have ever seen for your store. Click the link below, book a call with yours truly. Let's get back into it. The goal of bid caps is to incrementally change the bid cap. That's why I'm doing $5 increments. We're doing this as a full-blown test campaign. As we start to refine things, I'll literally start adjusting bids by $2 to see which one's going to be more efficient and which ones are spending at scale. A lot of times the advantage to bid caps is in this bid cap campaign, we are not spending the total daily budget. So yesterday, the daily budget is set at $500. We only spent $300. That's going to be the advantage of a bid cap. And you can see this $90 bid cap is the one that's working best, and it's actually getting purchases for $11. So remember, the bid is what you're willing to pay to enter the auction. We entered and we got purchases at $11.42 with a $90 bid cap. Now, if we were getting purchases at $90, I would be losing our client a bunch of money. So that's where an understanding of the variance between ad set becomes extremely important. So this one is $90. This one is $100. We spent $8.27. So you're seeing now we're actually being way more efficient with the lower bid than the higher one. And then down here we have a $70 and we're actually getting a higher cost per purchase, less scale, less volume based on the amount spent. And then up here, this one is a $105 bid cap, which you can see we only got one purchase at a 2.5x. I'm going to leave that one because I want to see what continues to happen. So where I'm going is the most important factor in establishing bids and how you're setting these up and how you're structuring them becomes really, really important that you know your financial metrics. Now, as I was also mentioning, it's really important that you are willing to adjust this on a regular basis. Cost cap campaigns are 7-day averages. Bid caps are that day yesterday. So when we look to optimize, we stick with our 3-day rules. I'm also looking to see what yesterday's results were. This is going to be really important, and this is how you can effectively scale your ad accounts. Now, if you're looking for a free audit, click the link below. My team will dive into your ad account. We will look at the structure. We will look at your creative, your copy, identify potential opportunities for growth for your store. I really hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, leave a comment, hit thumbs up. We'll see you guys in the next video.